Let's get to St. Louis, then maybe I'll put him down. He's a failure anyway. Why did I even put him in this party? He was gonna ruin everything from the start. He was just going to. Francis is no longer sick. Alright, good. That's good for us. We're still going. Zombie activity is low right now, so that's good. A thief stole 28 bullets from your station wagon. Well, great. Now we have thieves in this game. Just like the Oregon Trail, we have thieves. There's only 28 bullets. How many bullets do we have again, actually? Can't remember. What is this thing now? We're in St. Louis. Okay. Okay. Gonna heal Francis. There you go. The fail doesn't seem to be doing anything yet, though, so could we still probably be going? 168 miles. It doesn't seem to be too far. Can we still make it? Let's see if we can still make it. We still have a lot of fuel. Oh, and now he has a broken leg. Well, he was bitten by a zombie and has a broken leg. Oh no, zombie activity's high. Be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. A fuel can went missing. Obviously one of the zombies took it. Doesn't seem to be any zombies here. Maybe they're invisible. We're almost there. Come on. We're there. Alright, we're at a cave. Okay, he has a broken leg. I shall heal you for now. The fail is not even doing anything to the party yet. So, let's check our supplies. We have 971 bullets. That's still a lot of bullets. Batteries and mufflers. We have food. We have money. I think we can still go. Except, no, we can still go. We're going to continue on anyway. We're going to see how this turns out. Memphis is only 106 miles away. That's not too far. Okay, nothing happened yet. Still nothing happened. A thief stole one tire from your station wagon. Well, that happened. That's Memphis, for goodness sakes? That almost looks like some kind of weird pyramid. The heck? Check supplies. Oh, we have no tires. Okay. Well, in case a tire goes missing. We don't have a lot of money left, though. Buy one for now. Just maybe two. Okay. Oh no, we have to cross a horde of zombies. Yeah, let's do it! Get through there. Yeah. There, we got through it. What kind of firing sounds are these, for goodness sakes? They just sound weird. Able to fight your way through the horde without incident. Yeah, break out the big guns. We've done it. We have to get to the next landmark. Let's go. We're doing good so far. An abandoned car and find tool fuel in it. Okay, good. Only water you can find sludge from a runoff drain. You reluctantly drink it. And probably one of my party members end up getting sick from it. Oh, our health is good. Okay. Following a wake of vultures has led you to food. Okay, well. We're getting some luck now. We're getting lucky. Only water you can find is a sludge from a runoff. Whatever. We're here anyway. Oh, we're at a prison. Alright. Let's put the fail in jail then. There we go, busting my rhymes. Because he's a zombie. Can't keep him in here for much longer. I don't know how much longer we can keep him in here. He was bitten by a zombie, but he still hasn't infected anybody else in the party. Had to put the brain down, though. I don't know why I even did that. Let's check our supplies. 243. There we go. Let's buy a bit of food. I think we're still good to go. I may need some gas quite soon, though. We're getting a bit low on gas. I think it should last us for a bit longer, maybe. We've already traveled over 2,000 miles, for goodness sakes. Alright. Yeah, look at that. Look at that station wagon just hopping along. See that? It's just like bouncing up and down. Gas can fell in the car and spilled. And somehow my station wagon still didn't explode. Because it spilled, for goodness sakes. How? I just don't know how. A fuel can went... Darn it! Yeah, we're getting low on fuel now, so... Oh no, the pro was bitten by a zombie. Well, he is certainly a pro. Pro at getting bitten by a zombie. That's one. Oh, wait, we're at a hospital. At a hospital, we could possibly go to the hospital. Heal these guys. Great. The pro is infected. The fail is infected. Fine. Okay, fine. I'm gonna die fail. Where's... Can't even see kill party member, for goodness sakes. Obviously means I'm blind. Fine. I didn't want you in my party anyway. You're dead. Good day to you, sir. There. Alright, anyway. See if we can buy some fuel. Okay. That's all we can get for now. Let's see if we can continue on the road. The pro has been... I thought he was already bitten by a zombie, for goodness sakes. Oh, encounter abandoned car, find 1 fuel in it. Alright, good. We're going. We're still going. We're still doing good. Alright. Your muffler broke, but you were able to replace it from supplies. Can't speak English. Alright, that's good. Able to replace the muffler. The pro has dysentery. Oh no. Don't start this again. I wonder, does this game run on like the same engine as the Oregon Trail, I wonder? Get lost on a backcountry road for an hour. Well, oh no, our health is poor. The pro's no longer sick. Good. Oh darn, the pro needs to be healed and fast. It's funny how nothing has even happened to me yet. Like, holy jeez. Okay. Do nothing for now. Gotta buy some food. Okay. Check our supplies one more time. Okay, we're running out of food now, so... 600 miles to the next landmark. Yeah, I highly doubt we're actually going to get through this game because, I don't know, I'm running out of money, I'm running out of food, I'm running out of everything. Oh, we've been led to food, though. That's good. We're starting to run low on fuel, though. We've traveled almost 3,000 miles already. Look at that, 2,925. Zombie activity is medium. Alright, we're still going. Heavy ash covers the windshield, forcing you to slow down. Darn it. Come on. Oh, zombie activity's high. Hold on. Get ready for it. Get ready. Pro wandered off. You couldn't find them. Wait, does that mean the pro's gone now? Snowstorm? Well, my goodness. It's amazing how fast the weather changes here. Following a wake of vultures has led you to food. Oh no, we are running out of food. The heck happened there? And a blizzard. Oh my goodness, you've got to be joking me. Your tire broke. Oh my goodness, you are playing with fire now. You are playing with fire. A gas can... You are playing with fire! You are just playing with fire. Do not mess with Robotnik, otherwise strip club. Oh! The pro's gone. So now it's just me and Francis, and we're at a strip club. Oh my goodness. Heal Francis. Oh, we can buy supplies at a strip club, really. I guess we'll just have to manage on that. We only have $6. I had $26. I could have gave maybe $20 to the Slender Man. I don't know. We'll have to continue on. Albuquerque. What the heck is that place? I don't know how to pronounce that. You found some wild fruit. Oh, wow, the wild fruit are making an appearance in this game. A fuel can. No. Just don't do that. Just don't. Snowstorm. This looks like a desert, for goodness sakes. How could there be a snowstorm? What is going on? I have no idea what is going on. Okay. I think we're very close to dying. The pro's gone, the brain's gone, and the fail is gone. This is not good for us, you guys. The thief stole 1 fuel from your wagon. This is not good for us, you guys. Heavy at... Darn it! I'm this close to running out of fuel. Oh my god. You are just... Oh my goodness. No. Darn it. I'm gonna attempt to trade. I'm gonna trade you 1 muffler. No. I'm not gonna trade you. Come on. Oh, 1 tire. 2 medkits. We have 3 medkits. I'm gonna have to save 1 for maybe Francis. It'll have to do for now. We do not have a lot of oh wait, maybe we can still make it. Of course, a blizzard. Can we reach 4,000 miles? I wonder.